Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is motor vessel Amethyst Star. Amethyst Star, Amethyst Star. Call sign DEFG MMSI 41234 or 5678. Position latitude 14 degrees 35 minutes north, longitude 120 degrees 58 minutes east. We are taking on water due to hull damage. We are in grave and imminent danger. Number of persons on board 20. We require immediate assistance. We are preparing life rafts. Over. Pan pan, pan pan, pan pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Amethyst Star. Call sign DEFG MMSI 41234 or 5678. Position latitude 14 degrees 40 minutes north, longitude 121 degrees 05 minutes east. We have engine failure and are not under command. There is no immediate danger to life. Number of persons on board 20 persons. We require towing assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Amethyst Star. Call sign DEFG. Position latitude 14 degrees 50 minutes north, longitude 121 degrees 10 minutes east. There is a large floating container drifting in the area. Vessels navigating nearby are advised to proceed with caution. Over.